Welcome to our channel Green Petals. This video is about a natural hair pack. This amazing hair pack will help you grow the hair thick, gives the hair a shiny texture, effectively control hair fall, remove dandruff and reduce dryness and split ends. Before moving on to the video, please subscribe to this channel if you have not. Press the bell icon next to it and select the option all so that you don't miss any of my new videos. Let's go straight to the video. The first ingredient of this pack is green gram. Green gram contains good amount of vitamin B, vitamin C in addition to proteins, calcium, magnesium and fibers. This will boost hair growth, give the hair a shiny texture, remove dandruff from scalp and reduce dryness and split ends. Green gram is generally good in curing hair damages. You can also use it as a substitute for harmful chemical shampoos for washing hair. I took 4 tablespoons of green gram for making this pack. Clean it thoroughly before using. I am putting it in a bowl. Next, we need to soak it well. For soaking, I am using the strained rice water after boiling the rice. We need to let it stand for 24 hours to get the green gram soaked well. In the meantime, the rice water will get fermented as well. There are many advantages in soaking the gram in this way. The protein content in the green gram will increase once soaked. The fermented rice water contains many vitamins and minerals which helps promote hair growth. I am closing the bowl with a lid like this and letting it soak for a day. Next day, you can see the rice water got fermented. It has a thick consistency now. The green gram should also be soaked well by now. The vitamins and minerals in the fermented rice water will give the hair a dark shiny texture and can help remove bacterial infection and dandruff from scalp. It will also hydrate the scalp and cure itching of scalp. It can rejuvenate hair strands and give a natural shine to dull hair. The next ingredient is guava leaves. It is a rich source of vitamin C. It will help grow thick hair. Guava leaves are very effective in treating dandruff. It will also give the hair a dark texture and make the hair soft. Take enough quantity of ingredients as needed based on the length and volume of your hair. I am removing the nerves of the leaves like this. Add the ingredients to a mixer. Mix them well to a paste like this. The pack is now ready. Oil your hair mildly before applying the pack. You can also use the pack as a natural shampoo. Apply the pack to the scalp and to the hair like I am showing. Wait for 30 minutes before washing. Make sure to wash with normal water. Please do not use any chemical shampoo for washing as it will take away the good effects of the pack. Apply this pack twice a week for best results. Even after washing, there is a chance of some strands from guava leaves got stuck in the hair, and you can get rid of them by just combing the hair once the hair is dry. Hope you found this video useful. If so, please like the video and share it with your friends and family. Feel free to put your comments and opinion in the comment section. Until we meet again with the next natural remedy. Bye bye.